Cox customer. In this video, we will show you how to perform call forwarding using a direct line phone number, a shared line, or the MyAccount customer portal. For this instructional video, it's ideal to follow along with your phone in front of you. Now that you have your phone within reach, let's activate the call forwarding feature. To activate call forwarding on your direct line number on a Cisco phone, press forward on the third soft key. Press select for forward all. Go to your navigation cluster and toggle to the right to turn on. Enter the 10-digit phone number. If toll-free, add a 1 in front of the number. Press set. Your Cisco phone is now forwarded. To deactivate call forwarding on a Cisco phone, press the third soft key. Clear forward and your phone is no longer forwarding. To perform call forwarding on your direct line number on a PolyEdge phone, press more on the fourth soft key. Press forward on the first soft key. Press select for always. Enter the 10-digit phone number. If toll-free, add a 1 in front of the number. Press the enable soft key to complete call forwarding on your PolyEdge phone. To deactivate call forwarding on a PolyEdge phone, press more on the fourth soft key. Press forward on the first soft key. Press select on the first soft key for always. Then press disable on the fourth soft key and your phone is no longer forwarding. To perform call forwarding on a shared line, press line 1, main line, or L1. Input *72. Enter the 10-digit phone number. If toll-free, add a 1 in front of the number. Then press pound. The system will prompt your call forwarding is now active. To deactivate call forwarding, press line 1, main line, or L1. Input *73#. The system will prompt, your call forwarding is now deactivated. To perform call forwarding for all calls using the MyAccount customer portal, open your browser and navigate to coxbusiness.com/myaccount. Input your login credentials to enter the MyAccount experience. Scroll to the Administrative Tools and Service Management section and click the Voice tile. Click User and System Management to expand this feature. Click User Feature Settings. Choose the line by clicking Edit under Manage. Click Call Settings. Click Call Forwarding. Scroll to the Forward All Calls section and slide the on-off toggle to the right to enable this feature. Click Edit under Forward All Calls. Enter the phone number you want to forward your calls to. Simply enter the 10-digit number without using dashes or parentheses. For a toll-free number, be sure to add the preceding one. Press Save. Congratulations! You now know how to use call forwarding. Please continue to visit coxbusiness.com/starthere for more helpful customer tutorials.